Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Google location history in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn off our Google location history, we have to go to Settings, then in Location menu, we have Location Services. As you can see, Google location history is turned on. To turn it off, we simply enter this little menu here, and in this drop down menu we have turn off or turn off and delete activity. Let's turn it off. Got it. Back. And now our Google location history is turned off. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.